Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are at IKEA because we are a week away from getting the keys to the new house. So let's see if we can stay on budget and see what they got. Do I want a cart? Or do I want to make sure I stay within budget with one of these? Let's see how this works. I kind of want to just get to where I need to be, but I like to look around and see all of the new stuff. So I'm gonna pull up my cart because I have like a wish list. Oh, what's this? Food container set of 17. The color is ugly, but the price is amazing. But this is not what I'm here for. Little rocker. This is so cute. $64.99. Doubt if I would pay $64.99. Oh, that's a vibe right there. It's cute. This is for a little person, I'm sure. We have a short cut to the children's. That's what we need. Shortcuts to stay focused. Okay. This might not be bad for Journey's books, but she has so many. So we'll keep that as an option. Later on, I got to get all her other furniture first before I decide on what to do. So we have this at home, right? We have the white one. We have two. And I'm going to turn it into a desk. And they have like the desk toppers, I think. So I do want to find that and get that checked out. So I'm probably going to need help. But also, okay, let's look at sheets. Don't look like they have the sheets that I need, but let me fill it. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the duvet. Okay. Let's look. Okay. That's not bad, especially for the price. First, let's see if anything's over here. These are the hangers that I'm gonna use for Journey. I think wood, but I think it's cheaper to get them on Amazon. So $7.99 for 5. Yeah, it's cheaper on Amazon. Okay, let's see. This is cute. Journey don't need it, but
our goal is that
what is this, like a little wardrobe?
Furniture tipping over. This is what drives us to continuously develop
That's
products
cute.
that help keep our customers safe.
Okay, let's stay focused.
We innovate through design, material,
and y'all, this is the bed that I was thinking about at first for Journey. It can be a toddler bed to start off, and then you can make it longer into like a twin size bed, right? Not bad at all. And they have rugs, and I actually think that's a reasonable price. And they have the bed in pink too. I thought about this bookshelf, but I don't want to do that, you know? Okay, let's get. Now this could be a potential. $39.99, maybe. But the rug will be one of the last things that I get when decorating. I learned my lesson not to jump off the porch grabbing rugs and stuff. I just put this. Journey had this. He doesn't use it. I set it outside. Somebody snatched it up in an hour. Okay, these are toys. We don't want toys. Oh, the apron on sale? Yeah, I'll get my baby apron now because I was going to get her one. $4.99, got it. Not bad, not bad. So this, I like to buy this from here. This roll lasted so long. I want to get it, but I feel like this orange is throwing me off. But it's like perfect for her arts and crafts and stuff, you know? So we're going to go ahead and get it. And we're going to get a fresh roll for $4.99. Journey loves her arts and crafts. Okay, what else they got? You don't need none of that. Now, this is what I came in here to get too. And now I'm not so sure because it was really plasticky. But we don't have no more spoons and forks. Like, I'm gonna give me a pack, and my niece is getting her own place, so I'll get her a pack. And then they have 4 packs for 49 cents, but this is only $1.99. Like these plates too small. Them plates too small. I don't know, these cups look play. That's how they look, y'all. Now Journey growing and she already got a couple, so I'm gonna wait on this. If I really want it, I'll just come back. Actually considering this. Not today. I gotta move in first, but I would like to put my perfume on something like this versus what I have it in now. So this is an option for me. These little 3-gallon trash cans are $1.99, but I think I want our bathroom trash cans to be covered. It's starting to like gross me out a little bit. These are cute, but $2.99, not bad. But again, I've learned my lesson. I need to wait before I get these types of things, and so I know how I'm going to actually organize. I'm trying to walk as fast as I can because, again, I need to wait and really dive into what I want to do with the kitchen. I think we made it. Let's find our girl some sheets. Yeah. This is not the right pink, I don't think, and I don't like that material. It feels itchy. Journey is used to sleeping on my sheets and her sister's, and we have pretty good sheets. So I don't want no other excuses as to why she can't sleep in her bed. These feel a little better, but that's not what the design that we're going for. I think we need like this color pink if we're gonna do pink. We actually have a couple of options. We don't have to go with pink. So we could actually do a blue that kind of matches her room. Well, not her room yet, but the comforter that I got her. I think that blue, look at that price. And they feel kind of soft. So maybe we get 2 sheet sets. Don't tell my husband. Now these are separates. You're looking for, okay, so all of these are separates. Let's go back. Maybe they just don't have the pink. But the pink is $19.99. And I don't know the difference. But they don't have the pink. So we'll get the blue, see if that works, and if not, figure it out. Oh, let's go down here. Okay, it was nothing down there. This is the twin. But I think they have like another like brand that I want to find. Okay, let's keep looking. So, Journey is a side or back sleeper. So she needs like one big fluffy one for her, you know, like the pillowcase, I can't think of it right now, that comes with the comforter set. She won't sleep on that one. That'll just be for decoration. But I might like this one. See, these are the different brands. I think we need this. Where is it? Let me see, can I find it? I think we should get one of those for her to actually sleep on. And I get a thick, fat one, cheap one. Well, that's cheap too, but really. Okay, where are the pillows? Is this it? Yeah. We need standard. Let's see. What's this? $1.99. We trust that. This. You know what? Maybe, huh? Both. Because for $1.99, why not, right? Maybe for a guest. I don't know. Right? Maybe for one of her cousins. Okay, y'all, let's find. So at least we got one sheet set. And again, if it don't flow, I'll bring it back. Pillows. Okay, let's find the baskets, hampers. So I need a mattress protector for Journey's mattress, but I want it to be waterproof just in case she has like accidents or something. And this ain't waterproof. So let's see. That's a pillow protectors. Okay, y'all, they got mattress protectors, but not. I need water leak proof. So that price would have been nice. Cause I don't know if I've seen any that cheap, but again, they are they're not leak proof. Oh, these are waterproof. Okay, $39.99, $34.99, $27, $24, $19, $14. Now cheaper and always better, but let's see. We do have that. We got that. Can you hide it? Got that pattern. I think we're gonna get it. We gotta protect our investments. Learned that the hard way. You know, at 40, you live and you learn. Y'all, I really need to be heading to the doggone register because I need to get on the highway before that traffic really kicking in. I'm gonna look more for different styles of garbage cans for her bathroom. So I don't think it's too much over here that we need. And I think she has a space in her bathroom that like she can like use something like this. But we'll wait. We're not gonna be buying stuff just to be buying it. $11.99. This would be nice. Like, you know how y'all be like, you'll have like that little small space and you don't know where to put stuff, what to put there. Not bad. Okay. cute. Like something like this for the linen closet is very cute, right? We can put guest towels and all that cute stuff. Not bad. What can I put in here? Oh, but you know what? We definitely need something like this to put so in the master bathroom we don't have my husband and I, we don't have drawers, and we actually share a sink, which is weird for a master in my opinion, but you know, we do what we need to do. It's all good, it's all love. But I think I need to get a couple of these because I feel like I can do my skincare stuff. It'll be in my linen closet or under the sink and I can pull it out, right? So let's find these. Look at this. 30 bowls, maybe. $1.99. Get 3. And then the lids are on sale for 79 cents. These are really cute. And you can stack. I like that. The lids. These are stackable. Do it say it's supposed to be over here?
Yeah, it's supposed to be over here.
You found them? How did I not see that? I'm so sorry.
No, it's
Thank you.
It's hard to see, man.
Thank you so much. 3 of those. Okay, y'all, we gotta get out of here. But I gotta find. Cause you would really get lost in here. And one day I'll come like early and I can breeze through traffic. Not that I really have much to do this evening, but if my husband don't have to work, I would like to chill with him. Since tomorrow is like a work from home day for me. So that's what I was looking for. This look really cheap and cheesy. So we're gonna leave that there. That look too cheap. Let's see. And I don't have to get no laundry basket for her right now. I can actually wait until I really do her closet anyway. That might be better. So I even know exactly what I want. And what I want to love it. What I get, I want to love it. So, yeah, that's cute. But we ain't paying no $79.99. Okay. And I think I got most of what I came for. So let's head out. Oh yeah, I also was looking to do something like this with Journey, but again, I'm gonna wait until after we get everything kind of put up, like above her desk with her crayons and stuff like that, possibly. I don't know how I would really like to be looking at crayons and stuff. I kind of like to be able to tuck them away. So that might not be the wave, but I did like that concept for sure. Okay, y'all, how I get out of here? Okay, I gotta go. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I do plan on so I love to thrift, love it. And I do plan on getting in the thrift stores too, to most of our stuff that we bring in from this house is going to the new house. So it ain't like a whole lot of decorating that I need to do. Journey's room is from scratch. Her bathroom is from scratch. My office area is from scratch. But I'm excited to get back in the thrift stores and see what I can repurpose. I'm good for spray painting something. So yeah, so Journey's theme is like a boho type of theme. I think I loved the idea at first, and then I kind of wavered a little, and then I let her do her own bathroom. So we are doing a stitch bathroom. Yeah, I can't stand looking at it either, but we're gonna make it do what it do. It's her space. But that bedroom, I'm still gonna be incorporating, her taste, of course. She's gonna love it, of course. Just like my older girls love their bedrooms, of course. So yeah, I'm just over the theme of characters. I just don't like it, y'all. So I'm glad I was able to compromise with Journey with the bathroom, because she really wanted a stitch bedroom and tried to really do a thing about it. No. Oh, I need to ask somebody about that slab of wood. That one.
Okay. That's a tough one.
Is it? And then they had the top part connect, because I have two, and they made it into a desk.
Well, how did they do that?
And I'm like, I don't know if they just laid it on top. That ain't gonna work for me because my baby is 5. Yeah.
But how did they do that? Was it a skinny slab?
Yep. Literally, it fit. You see how little that?
The middle one, right?
Yep. You can actually do both, but I will do the middle one. You think? What does that mean?
So, these are 18 3/8, and that one you're looking for is 17 7/8. So I'd say about an inch.
An inch.
1 inch. So, symmetrics. About 1 inch, like that much. You could move the frames over from the wall about an inch, and then have it secured.
So these are my options. Do you have one? Okay.
We have different variations, but basically all of these. Is there a color you want?
White or wood? I don't know yet which one.
Let's just put it on here. White. Beige, I guess. So $90. That's 55 long, 63 long. 63 long. Do you have a size preference of how long you want it to be?
Not yet. I'll know next week.
Okay.
But that is what I would look for when I come back.
Yeah. So what you want to look for is a Midson tabletop. It's going to be this. And then once you find it online, you can basically choose, oh, usually you're able to. Basically, you can choose like a color.
Okay.
Same thing, but a different color, and then you can choose the size, 55 inches or 63, which is longer.
The longer. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. I'll know more, and then am I? Y'all, I've been at the register longer than I've been in the store. These are $3.99 regular price. 79 cents, $1.99. And these are $4.99. I show her the video of them. We've been here a long time. I hate I had to do all that. I've been at the register longer than I've been in the store because some items didn't ring up. And I was asked to go back. And take a picture. Luckily, I had my video, and I didn't have to do that. But now I'm fucking freaking irritated because she grabbed my video and literally studied it as if I made the numbers. And it's not thousands, okay, that I'm trying to. I guess I was trying to steal $7. Shit just pissed me off. And I halfway want to leave this right here. Y'all, the old me. Ooh, baby. Thank God for growth. And my husband had text me, checked my location, talking about, what are you doing at IKEA? Like, oh, Lord, people. And you know, I halfway wanna ask if I looked a different way, would it have went that way? Shit just blew me. And I'm just trying to remind myself that I'm better than that. I've come a long way. But that shit just blew me. So, let me go home to my beautiful family who loves me so much. So I spent $82, y'all. And now I don't know where all that I go. Y'all, let me go and get up out of here.